Over the last couple of days and maybe weeks, the market has been in a significant downward trend that's seen the price of Bitcoin dip to about $27,000, which is less than half of its previous all-time high. However, we're pleased to see that the much-anticipated price correction is finally behind us, as we're well on our way to register greater price discoveries. We're starting to see some green across the cryptocurrency market. The overall market capitalization is seeing some good recovery, reaching $1.7 billion with a 12% increase over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is nearing its week-long support of $40,000. Ethereum is finding its way back up and settling above $2,600. And XRP is finding its way back to the $1 price tag. Even amid the bearish market, Ripple and its native token, XRP, are strengthened with the adoption of the digital asset by the National Bank of Egypt. XRP continues to show signs of a huge recovery, gaining more mainstream adoption as it enjoys the trust of many banks, forming a model for central bank digital currencies. Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to place for everything XRP. For those of you who are new to this channel and are curious to learn about XRP, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. There are several tiers to choose from, which offer rewards ranging from special XRP Army stickers and a badge right next to your name to personalized help with your portfolio. You can also sign up for our free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors. Also, when you join the channel as a paid subscriber, you get access to our VIP channels on Discord, where we share the latest news, technical analysis, predictions, and everything XRP. Be sure to check it out via the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Several positive advances have catalyzed the increased adoption of RippleNet's distributed ledger technology and its on-demand liquidity, seeing the price of this digital asset reaching greater highs. Which is why it's no surprise that Ripple and XRP have been in the headlines since the start of the year. Not even the bearish market, nor the ongoing SEC lawsuit, which has no definite end date, could stop this cryptocurrency asset believed by many to be the future currency of the earth. Following the latest news and developments with Ripple, the fintech company recently partnered with the National Bank of Egypt, the second largest bank in Africa by assets, and UAE-based financial vendor Lulu International Exchange to leverage RippleNet's cross-border remittance system. News of this is just as important to Egypt as it is for an increase in the value of XRP, seeing that Egypt appears to be one of the largest recipients of remittances worldwide, with the total global remittance of about $24 billion into the country. Currently, XRP is trading at 98 cents, after closing at 79 cents from the previous day's trade, during which it had reached a high of about 93 cents and a low of approximately 70 cents. XRP had declined to an all-time low over the weekend, reaching its lowest level since April 5th, amid the numerous developments across the cryptocurrency market. XRP currently records a trading volume of almost $9 million as the digital asset rose by nearly 6% over the last 2 hours, placing the coin at the number 7 position on CoinMarketCap's rating with a total circulating supply of over 46 billion XRP tokens and an overall market cap of close to 45 billion. The State Council Committee of the People's Republic of China, led by the country's Vice Premier Liu He, announced that stricter cryptocurrency regulations were needed to be set in place to protect the financial system. This plummeted Bitcoin's value while sending the other cryptocurrencies tumbling afterward. Prior to that, the crypto market had already been subject to a lot of regulatory pressures, following the US Treasury Department making its own announcement that it would require reporting on all crypto transfers of more than $10,000, as is being done with cash. Not long after, billionaire investor and entrepreneur Elon Musk released comments disfavoring Bitcoin due to the harmful effects on the environment that its mining is responsible for. Now, all of these negative news updates put together led to an increased pressure in the crypto market on all digital assets, including XRP, subsequently dragging its price downward and reaching a record low of 70 cents, which we last saw sometime in early April. Also, Ripple's co-founder Jed McCaleb has sold approximately 265 million XRP this month. This news mounted more pressure on the already declining value of XRP. Not to mention, the US dollar index that measures the greenback value against the basket of 6 major currencies rising above 90 levels and weighing on the prices over the weekend. That has added even more pressure on the depressed prices of XRP. The data released from last week, Friday to be precise, has reinforced the greenback across the board. However, in the interim, XRP had maintained support and maintenance at various levels, where we have support of 85 cents weighing against a resistance of 98 cents, and a pivot point of 92 cents. Looking at the charts, we could see the formation and the likelihood of a 3 soldiers support on the 4 hours time frame, indicating the continuation of a bullish trend much sooner than we would expect. This new pattern formed could more likely lead to the value of the digital asset past the 95 cents resistance level and providing a support that would hold around the 71 cents price margin. On the other hand, XRP shows signs of deceleration of its momentum following the recent impulse wave. For this reason, minor retracement or sideways movements seem imminent before this digital token can recommence its rally. Just as XRP prepares for the next leg up, it will most likely retrace to the 85 cent support level, yet again, before continuing its ascent. Such a move will open access for investors to recuperate their momentum and enable the token to get back on track. In a nutshell, the climb will slow down as it approaches the supply zone, and if the buying pressure continues to maintain at higher levels beyond the said level, the value of XRP may skyrocket by another 18% to test the $1.50 support levels once again, allowing XRP to clear all other obstacles to retest the supply barrier like we saw back in 2018. Based on the optimistic hypothesis is the Sentiment's 30-day market value to realized value model, a fundamental index that would determine the profit or loss margin for investors that purchased XRP over the past month. As at the time of recording, this metric was well within the opportunity zone at 22%, which is a direct indication that the short-term holders are selling out of the market, allowing the long-term holders to buy more into the dip and subsequently filtering the bears from the bulls. As such, the market value to realized value depicts a bullish outlook for XRP. Additionally, the whale transaction count, an instrument used to keep track of transfers above $100,000 from a single wallet, has been on a slight increase, a spike which indicates that the whales are getting in on the action to buy more into the dip. With introduction of the long-awaited newer digital currencies by the central banks of the world, RippleNet and its developers can now decide the timing and supply in a similar way to how the current central banks operate. On a broader perspective, these partnerships offer yet another instance of mainstream adoption of blockchain technology for cross-border transactions at a fraction of the cost and transaction time offered by the traditional financial system. Ripple has been endorsed by several world-leading financial stakeholders as it goes on to enjoy some healthy partnerships. Enough reasons for XRP traders to cheer. At the moment, XRP continues to trade with relatively bearish inclination, all thanks to the Bitcoin dip. For the trend to reverse, seeing the price of XRP hitting new all-time highs, the bulls have to do a lot more, making sure the buying interest builds adequate momentum to cross the $1.25 level. It's no doubt that XRP has fallen into the opportunity zone, as it poses the best buy position for a debt crypto enthusiasts and expert traders who wish to buy into this digital asset before its price sees some significant gains and recovers its lost ground. Experts predict that the value of XRP is soon to have its breakout of the market, with or without Bitcoin regaining its stance from its most recent price depression. XRP is currently on the rise, as it's holding up well around the 95 cent support level as of right now. And if that continues on, and the bulls are able to beat the bears to the game, making more gains throughout the week, the next support level we're likely to cross would be at $1.25, which it needs to transcend in order to strengthen the bullish trend. Just as a subtle reminder, investors should note that the bullish thesis, as earlier explained, solely depends on the idea that the value of XRP bounces back from the support level at 85 cents. Nonetheless, a breakdown of this barrier will suggest an increase in the selling pressure, invalidating the optimistic mindset, under which conditions XRP may retrace towards the recent swing low at 65 cents, which is the upper boundary of the demand obstacle below it. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on it, hitting that subscribe button, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can also join our channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits, and you can join the free Discord group for daily signals and updates. Check out the link in the video description and in the pinned comments. If you have any thoughts or comments of your own, post them down in the comments section, and be sure to check out some of our previous videos on XRP as well. See you next time.
Perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.